Okay, today is my last day. I woke up at the Crown Plaza in Ventura, so I didn't have far to go. And Aunt Roberta took me to breakfast at this cute little tiki place. And I had a veggie burrito with egg whites, avocado, and cauliflower and tons of veggies. It was so good. It was like 2 minutes to the harbor. I got in line. I was ready to go. It was a really just
Then you're gonna step onto the pier, and there is a second level where you climb a vertical ladder. So in order to climb that vertical ladder, you need to have full hands-free, full.
I was all gray into myself with a big rock. So we rolled up to the pier. Looks like this one's gonna be a bit more challenging to get on.
I know the video is gonna be
Interesting. This pier doesn't go out, it goes up. Oh, there's a lot of birds up there. Like a lot. There's also a ton of bird poop all over this island. I can smell it. It's disgusting. It's great. I don't have a kayak today. I'm just walking. I just have a peaceful, meditative day. Okay, I was at the front. As soon as I got to the top, I took off. It was the first one. And I'm like, what is happening? There are so many birds here. Like, they're everywhere. Like, everywhere I look, there's a seagull. And they're squawking at me. Like, loudly. And they're not happy that I'm here. They seem stressed. I was not anticipating so many birds today. It's quite loud. I'm getting an eerie feeling. I don't love that there are this many birds there and they're all looking at me funny. What's going on? All these seagulls. Interesting. I wonder if there's any part of this island where these seagulls will not exist. It's like I said, they're not happy to see me. Yeah, this is giving me creepy vibes.
What the fuck?
Gonna be full of
They're
angry
everywhere.
birds.
Wow.
Look, a baby. Another baby. More babies. Just in the middle of the road. I feel like I shouldn't be here. Oh, that bird didn't seem happy to see me. Oh look, there's a baby bird under that thing. Just like under that thing. Okay, this is gonna be a weird day. It's gonna be a weird day on a weird island. Oh, baby birds. So cute. Wow. I low-key don't like this. It's pretty. This is, I forget what this is called. I think it's called Cathedral Cove. And there's sea lions in there. This part's, yeah, that part smelled really bad.
Okay, I'm here on Anacapa, and it is a fever dream. I mean... Oh, it got me. Oh, it got me. Oh my God. There are birds everywhere. This is like an Alfred Hitchcock film. Oh my... Okay, I'm going to Inspiration Point, and then I'm gonna do something. Oh my God. I'm all alone. Oh my gosh, this is like nothing I have ever seen before. I don't feel like they like me. I'm just living, you know? I'm not trying to hurt them. This is the weirdest place I've ever been in my entire life. This is Inspiration Point. It's so pretty. What if I just jumped? So many birds everywhere. It's really amazing. It's so pretty. The film just doesn't do it justice. More birds. That was all there was today, was birds pooping on me, screaming at me, pecking at me, chasing me, trying to intimidate me, screaming at me, pooping on me some more, pecking me some more. It was horrible. We got drama. They were so cute. There's the lighthouse. The birds were particularly aggressive in the lighthouse area for some reason. So many baby birds everywhere. Oh, I took a pic. That's a pelican skull. Lighthouse. Babies. I was just taking it in. Okay, back to Ventura. Decided to get a psychic reading spontaneously. She wouldn't let me phone, but her whole face was pink. It's pretty cool. She said some nice things. Then I went to Lure for dinner. Had some oysters with Parmesan and garlic butter. So good. And then I had some flounder with capers and lemon butter sauce. Then I drove home to Simi Valley, where I am now. Good night.